Welcome to Speak English with
Hey, it's good to see you. It's been ages. Where have you been hiding?
Hi Sophia, what's up? I've just been busy, working a lot of long hours. What about you? How have you been?
Pretty good. Nothing new really. I find you a little tired.
I have a stomachache.
Do you know why you have a stomach ache?
I don't know.
Is it something you ate?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
What did you have for lunch?
The usual, toast with honey and an apple.
Maybe the honey was bad.
It didn't smell bad.
Maybe the apple was bad.
No, the apple was delicious.
I recommend you see a doctor.
Maybe it will go away in a little while.
You should not suffer like that. Go see a doctor to find out the cause of the disease.
Okay, I will see a doctor.
What did the doctor say?
She thinks I have too much stress.
Stress causes your stomach aches?
Stress causes different problems with different people.
So what did she tell you to do?
She said I need to think positive.
She didn't give you any medication?
I hate medication. It makes me feel different.
So how do you think positive?
I think about nice things.
Like what?
Like a day at the beach, with my toes in the sand.
My fingers hurt.
Why do they hurt?
Recently I typed too much.
You should take a break.
I need to type to make money.
But typing is causing you pain.
Maybe I should see a doctor.
Doctors are too expensive.
She might tell me to rest for a while.
She might want to cut you open.
She might say I'm okay.
She might say you have bone cancer.
I don't like you joking like that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I cut my finger.
What a pity. How did you do that?
It's a paper cut.
Paper can be dangerous.
It hurts, too.
Paper cuts can hurt a lot.
Where are the band-aids?
I think they're in the medicine cabinet.
It's on the tip of my finger.
A band-aid might not work.
I must not use this finger until the cut heals.
It might take 4 or 5 days to heal.
Do you have a cold?
Yes, I do.
How did you get it?
My brother had a cold. He gave it to me.
Have you taken anything for your cold?
No, I just blow my nose a lot.
Your nose is stopped up.
Yes. I have to breathe through my mouth.
Have you tried nose drops?
No, I don't like nose drops.
They work great.
I don't care. I don't like to put drops in my nose. My ear is killing me.
What's the matter?
I was on a plane.
So?
Every time the plane goes up, my ear starts to hurt.
That's no good.
Sometimes the pain goes away, and sometimes it doesn't.
Have you seen a doctor?
I've been to 3 doctors.
And they couldn't fix your problem?
They said I have to live with it.
Or you can stay off planes.
There's something wrong with my left hand.
What's wrong with it?
It aches most of the time.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. I think it's old age.
If it's old age, why don't both of your hands hurt?
That's a good question. Maybe it's not old age.
Are you left-handed?
Yes. All my life.
You're wearing out your left hand. Stop using it so much.
But I do all my writing with my left hand.
Start typing instead. That way your left hand will do half the work.
Would you put suntan lotion on my back, please?
Yes, sure.
Thanks.
You shouldn't lie in the sun for too long.
I want to get a tan. I don't want to look so pale.
What's wrong with looking pale?
People think you might be sick.
Who thinks that?
I don't know.
It's better to be pale than to have skin cancer.
I know that.
So why are you arguing with me? Don't lie in the sun too long.
Thank you for your advice.
I can't quit smoking.
Why?
I don't have enough willpower.
Of course you do.
I wish I had never started.
So does every smoker.
I've tried to quit so many times.
So has everyone else.
Nothing seems to work.
All it takes is willpower, and you have it.
Then why can't I quit?
You have to believe in yourself. What's the matter with you?
My back is killing me.
What did you do?
I got out of my car.
That's it?
I injured my back one time just by sneezing.
You should see a doctor.
My doctor said I need surgery.
That's terrible.
I did not accept the surgery.
You don't have the money?
I have no insurance.
Maybe a back rub would help.
Let's stop for a while. I need a break and drink some water.
This trail is hard to climb.
Especially on a hot day like this.
I can't believe we haven't seen any animals.
Thank goodness. I don't want to see any wild animals.
All we've seen so far is a couple of squirrels.
We're hiking to lose weight, not to see deer and lions.
I bet I've lost a couple of pounds already.
All you've lost is some sweat.
I haven't even lost 1 pound of fat.
If you want to lose fat, you've got to do this hike every day.
Okay, but let's hike in the city. At least there are dogs and cats to see.
Oh no, another pimple on my face.
Pimples suck.
It seems like I get a new pimple almost every day.
Maybe it's something in your diet.
Maybe not, I eat the same things day after day.
Then maybe it's in your genes.
You might be right.
Do pimples run in your family?
Not that I've noticed.
Well, maybe it's from pollution in the air.
Whatever the cause, I hate seeing them on my face.
Well, on the bright side, they're